see from today's Bolefest, we're going to call it failed attempts at what? Going to Bolefest. Hello guys, so it's the morning of Bolefest and I woke up very early and I started clearing my phone because there's no space on my phone. Hello kings and queens, it's Kenny's Kingdom, and this time around, do you know what's happening, guys? Guys, we're trying to go to Bolefest, and only in Nigeria. Sorry as my hand is going like this, that's what happened when you do your nails. Somebody tell me why the car is stopping in the middle of the road. I like getting moments like this. Moments you do not think will happen. Like, we're on our way, and first of all, it started raining. Next thing, guys, is his car stopped on the road. And before we finally that, oh, you should go and get fuel, because he was like, oh, let me go to Rumala and get fuel. It's just like, it should just be like a whole total 10 minutes journey. Next thing, to grace of God, there are two guys pushing the car because only in Nigeria. Finally, I was like, okay, but then before that, I tried to book Bolt, and then the taxi was like, he can't come. Next thing, guys, in this same Nigeria, as per, I live in portharcourt where it's risky, where you can just kidnap people. This taxi guy is like, open door. I want to talk to you. Talk to me about what, baby? I don't understand. When the boat drivers start chasing people to like where they are, why? Where is the guy? He's not here. How did anyone kidnap me? Oh, I didn't hear you. Guys, I will actually I want to shape my outfit because I didn't get the time. I actually did my makeup in a rush. So if you're looking at it and you're like, this babe not even fine like that, no problem. So let me try and shape my outfit. You guys, my phone has been trying to say that it's full, so I should stop doing videos, but I will never hear. Don't be my phone go tell me waiting to do. Never ever. Phone where I use my money buy won't come they instruct me. Are you mad? Well, let me see. So it's giving lights. Okay, I can't show my outfit, unfortunately. So my phone is still saying it's very full, so I can't even really be a very good content creator. I just saw someone's Sunday post, and for me the question is, on Sunday, why are you guys very, very religious? Because I saw all of this life belongs to God. I mean, all of life is life. I don't even know what I see, but guys, I'll be acting like well, I'm tired. So guys, as you can see, my boat driver is not here because he went to buy fuel. Apparently he bought bad fuel, and because of that his car stopped. So now he has to go and buy good fuel so that it will mix. But why I said okay to him was because like just cars are just passing here. I know crazy stuff happens in portharcourt, but this is me being religious. This is my Sunday post. God is not gonna let me die, baby. That's not in my destiny. Hello. Amen. So guys, my driver is back. That's him. Apart from that, I just subscribed to Glow. Like, I had to recharge my phone, and during that process of recharging my phone, you wasted time. It's okay because the rain just started reducing. Yes, why is it that when you recharge to Glow network, they'll tell you you're doing 7.5 GB for 1,500? Then when you now just in your mind you don't cash out, when you now do 7.5 GB, they'll now come and write you have 3.5 GB, then you have 4 GB for nights. Please, you people don't sleep in the nights, because I sleep in the nights. I sleep in the nights. I sleep at night. Every time I sleep at night. It's not fair. It's not fair. Glow, you need to ask your customers, do you sleep at night? Do you not sleep at night? It's not fair. sorry.
You see me, I was shivering.
Yeah.
When this lady, the boss, I entered, the lady felt to me.
Obviously, she hugged you. Make you day warm. Sorry. This is what the crowd at Bolefest looks like. So if you don't hold your loved ones tight, you're going to lose them. I swear. And that's what happened to me. I lost my friends, and my friend's sister was in my phone, so I lost my friends and I lost my phone. So this is Bolefest from Kara's point of view. Enjoy.
Go down, say you agree, I'm not shy. She said she don't want a girlfriend, so what? She said she don't want a woman.
Hey kings and queens. Okay, so this is my brother. So obviously I made it back home from Bolefest. Glory be to God. So if you made it to the end of the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. What else?
Press the notification button.
Yes.